Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel.
I'm asking my grandmother. I can wait for hours. When that comes in, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
So today, you guys, I'm doing something a little bit different. As always, y'all always know I come with these different videos and stuff like that for you guys. Let me put a little bit of lotion on because I got my arms and stuff out today. Can't be ashy on camera. Hold up, let me fix this real quick. Okay, you guys. So today I received a package in the mail from one of my wholesale suppliers. Unfortunately, I don't know if she's going out of business, but I think she's taking like a long break. So I went ahead and I ordered as much as I possibly could from her because I don't know when she's coming back. And she makes some of my very popular pieces that goes on my cell phone cases. So here I have a package and we're going to be unboxing it on camera. I don't know what I have in this package. All I know is that it's a grab bag. So I just bought like a whole bunch of stuff from her, not knowing exactly what I would be buying, but just a lot, okay? So here I am cutting open. Let me put that over there. Put my scissors right there. And we're gonna start pulling out pieces, okay? I forgot how many pieces I'm supposed to have, you guys. I just got a whole lot, all right? So with that being said, y'all already know how I'm coming. And I'll be having a lot of stuff up on the website. I'll be putting together some kits, God willing, soon. You guys, it takes a long time. Head over to the website. I have a bunch of kits over there, either pre-made, where you can purchase the kits for the cell phone cases, or whatever you want to put it on, or just DIY kits I have over there as well. So these are just some of the kits that I have available. I mean, not the kits. So these are just some of the pieces that I'll have available on the site. And I just want to show y'all what I'll be working with. And these kits are going to be fire. Okay, you guys? When I say I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm not sure what this is. Do anybody know what this is? Like, what is this? Is this what I think it is? I'm not sure. But let me know, what do this look like to y'all, okay? Because I don't know what that is. So I don't know. So that's 2 bags. And we have this one. I will count all of this later. I really do not like counting it right now. I just want to go through and see what it is that I'll be working with. I got a lot of hearts. I love the hearts. Y'all already know I love like the little sayings and stuff. That's like my favorite. I always put like some type of word or saying on the cell phone case. And I guess these are supposed to be glasses. I'm not even sure, but yeah. How it is when you got kids. I got that. That's cute. I'm gonna put that to the side. I got 100. Ooh, this cute butterfly. Who that? Let's see what we got. We got this. And be sure, anytime you get a laser cut item, I don't really want to use this as an example because it's like profanity. Let me use this one for example. See how the diamond got all that material still stuck in it? Be sure to take that off. And then as you can tell, like it has the plastic on there, so you want to be sure to rip off the plastic. Okay. Here go another bag. Okay, let's just see how many pieces come in these bags. Let's just see, okay? We're going to count. Let's move this over and we're going to just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, here goes another bag. We got the Honda sign. I think that's Honda. We got a sleigh. Y'all already know I use this a lot. Oh, look, we got Piglet. Haven't seen that before. I'm not sure what this is, but we got this. Oh, I love my what? I love my what? And this is broken. You guys, that's fine because I can just glue that back together. But one thing I don't like, and I'm just gonna be honest in this video, is even when you're going out of business, try to sell people quality stuff. Like, I understand you getting rid of stuff, but be sure that you give people quality. You get what I'm saying? Like, even if it's like, you know, might be messed up a little bit, let people know, like, okay, some of these items may, you know, be broken a little bit, or maybe missing something. But be sure, oh, I love this YouTube. I gotta make me a cell phone case. I'm putting this to the side for myself, okay? That's gonna be for me. But yeah, be sure to let people know, like, the items is like messed up. Like, I already got all these pieces. Look at all this. I can't wait to put it up on my website. And we gonna keep going. How many bags did I open so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bags. This is my 9th bag. And this is another one of them pieces. I don't know where that go. It's my 9th bag. I don't see nothing different. 9th. This is my 10th bag. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's about 20 bags. I got another Who's Dead. I got this Wonder Woman. I got a cat. That's cute. Ooh, this is cute. Like a graduation hat. I never did a what you want to call it? What you calling people out? A Kappa sorority theme case. There go another one. And nephew woke up. Nephew's up. Every time he wakes up, he cries. Well, not every time. Y'all, I'm just giving y'all like a little glimpse of what to expect up on the site. I just want to let y'all know that I'm coming. I'm coming with them kits that y'all been asking for. I'm coming with them. I gotta go through all this stuff and I gotta make kits for y'all so they could be popping. I'm not sure how many items I'm going to put in the kits, but just know that they are going to be fire. Oh, we have some like wood pieces. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these pieces, you guys. I'm not even about to sit here and lie because I'm really not feeling these pieces. What I'll probably do is wholesale these up on the site, maybe, because I'm not sure like why they're even in. I don't even work with those, so I'm not sure how I'm going to use those, but keep a lookout. Champs. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. I can use this as like a side decor. Yes, this is cute. I like this. I hope I find more. This is really cute. Alright, I don't even know what bag I'm on, y'all, but I still got like half a bag to go. A half of a bag to unload. Alright. So from what I'm seeing, I got majority of the same pieces. This one says Vogue. A lot of these pieces, like, yeah, they're really not me. I would honestly say, but you never know who will come and ask for a case that might need one of these pieces, you know? So I'll probably keep a few. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, you guys, so looking good. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags left, and I opened up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bags. Okay, so we're gonna keep going. And I found another piece that I like. I can't wait to make a case using this piece. I actually like really love this piece. So knock out all of that. Knock that out. And knock that out. You guys, nothing is wrong with Nappy. That's just what he do when he want to be babied. So don't mind that. But this video has to be made because I wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to unbox or unbag it without showing y'all. So this is how this piece looks. It's actually another piece right here and then right there. Did I get that out? Yeah. Okay. So that's how that is supposed to look, and I love it. Okay. I don't know why. No way explain to you. Keep going. Keep going. Let's keep going. Flip that one over. Flip that one over. I didn't get too many what I want to say, I didn't get too many designer pieces in this bag. I did get some in my last set that I bought from her, but I didn't get too many in this one. Okay, y'all, so be sure to head over to the site, link in the bio, or just www.designsbymyc.com. If you don't see anything on there, be sure to head over to my Etsy shop, because I am trying to make things a little easier for you guys when y'all go to shop. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you guys are subscribed. And I just hope that y'all like my little unpackaging video. I do have more packages over here, but I don't want this video to be too long. I do have to make a Mac theme phone case, so that'll be my next video going up hopefully sometime next week, God willing. Also, be sure to head over to my TikTok. I do like a little tickety type stuff. Designs by NYC. And yeah, big up your girl, and also share with your peoples, okay? And to my supporters and my returning subscribers, thank y'all so much, because y'all keep a girl going, and I love doing this for y'all and also for myself. But yeah, until the next video, you guys, bye bye.